Hi there, it's Mike Wang, physiotherapist from MyPhysigo. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can give relief to your headaches by using 6 common acupuncture points that I've recommended to my patients. Acupuncture works by stimulating the nerves that can affect muscle, joints, and the nervous system. It helps to improve blood circulation, reduce tension, as well as promoting endorphin release. If you're worried that you're going to get poked by needles, relax. You will not be using any needles, but instead you'll be using your hands to apply pressure on these points. You may have heard the term before, acupressure. There is plenty of research evidence to back the use of acupuncture in the treatment and prevention of headaches and migraines. Try these out when you have a headache, or do it preventatively if you are prone to them. Headaches can be felt on the top part of your head, in the front, in the temple area, back part of the head, and even behind the eye. There are some common acupressure points that are specific to the type of headache, and some points are good for headaches in general, regardless of where they're located. These points can be tender when applying pressure to them, so it's perfectly normal to feel a bit of discomfort when treating yourself, but you should feel better when you're done with it. Headaches can be caused by a host of reasons, from dietary triggers like caffeine intake, poor hydration, and electrolyte imbalance, to muscle and joint tension from stress and poor posture, and potentially having too much screen time. Hormonal imbalance and side effects from medications can also cause headaches. Combined with eliminating some of these triggers, these self-treatment techniques I will be describing here will work even better, and you may notice a much quicker improvement. If your headaches persist, however, I would recommend that you check with a medical professional to see if it needs to be investigated further. So without further ado, let's get right to it. For frontal headaches, you want to use this point, gallbladder 14. This point can be found 1 thumb width above the eyebrow, in line with your pupil when you're looking straight ahead. There's 1 point on each side, and you can use your fingers and apply pressure and massage them firmly for a total of 30 seconds each. You may repeat this 3 times and then reassess. For temporal headaches located on the side of your head, you can use the Tai Yang point. The Tai Yang point is located on the outer part of the eyebrows. As you move slightly further away, you may feel a little divot or a slight depression. That's the spot. Find them on both sides of your head and massage them for 30 seconds each. Repeat 3 times. For a vertex headache, we can use the governing vessel 20 or Bai Hui point. This point is an excellent point to clear your head, relax your body, and also help with headaches. To find this point on the skull, this point is located on the top and the midline of the head, in line with the tips of your ear. Massage this region for 30 seconds and repeat a few times a day. Occipital headaches are located in the back of the head, and a common point that can benefit this is the gallbladder 20. To find this point, find the bony part of the mastoid process behind the ear. Now move your fingers back towards the back of the head, and when you feel slight depression, apply firm pressure on it, and it should be a bit tender. Massage this region for about 30 seconds and repeat 3 times. The large intestine 4 acupressure point is found when you bring your thumb and index finger together and you find the highest spot of the muscle. Once you find it, you can apply pressure on it using your opposite thumb and index finger. This one should feel quite sore. You can hold or massage it 30 seconds at a time and then switch to the opposite side. Another good spot that can be found on the hand is the small intestine 3. You can find this point when the fist is half closed, in a depression just off the prominent part of the bone on the inside part of your hand, at the junction of the light and dark skin. Massage this region for about 30 seconds and repeat 3 times on each hand. So there you have it, some quick ways to help relieve your headaches, wherever they may be. They are of course not the only points, but some of the main ones that I do recommend to my patients to try. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you think somebody will benefit from this video, feel free to share it with them. Subscribe to our channel and support our work. We really appreciate it. Until next time.